Hello students, today we will know about cells. So do you know what are cells? Yes, cell is the smallest fundamental basic unit of all living organisms. So if we talk about human beings, yes, human beings are known as cellular organism because our body is made up of cells. Means the smallest functional unit is the cell. Now, cells combine with each other to form tissues. Tissues form the organs. Organs form the organism. So that way our body is made up of cellular organism. Now, if we talk about cells, there are two types of organism. If the organism is made up of single cell. Now come to the next. Rest. Few organisms are unicellular and few are multicellular. Few means mostly the organisms are made up of more than one cell. Then these are known as multicellular organisms. Like all the plants mostly are multicellular, living some unicellular organism. Human beings, plants, mostly grain plants, all rest living organisms are made up of more than one cells. Now come to the next, prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. What are prokaryotic cells? Prokaryotic means when the cell organelle, the most important part of the cell organelle is the nucleus. Inside the cell, there are different types of cell organelles. These are having different shapes, different functions, and they are having different type of shapes also. Now come to the next. The nucleus is the most important part of the cell that we have discussed before. Now if we talk about nucleus, if the nucleus is not covered with a proper covering, then these type of organism are known as prokaryotic. And if the organism's nucleus inside the cell is covered with proper covering, well-defined covering, then these are known as eukaryotic type of organism. Now, if we talk about human beings, advanced types of plants and animals, these all are coming in eukaryotic type of cell. Now, can you tell me what is the longest cell of our body? Yes, it is the neurons. So our nervous system is made up of so many neurons, and these neurons are the largest cell of our body, and our body contains more than 10 trillion cells. So these are few facts. Stay tuned, be happy.